Today we'll be doing chapter 14. Okay, we'll be discussing first about the statistics, and then we will solve the exercise. So what is statistics? So statistics has been defined in different ways. A simple way you can remember what statistics is. What it is the science of finding what average. Okay, it is the way of finding what average, science of average, or we can also say what statistics is the science of counting. Okay, if you want to give the detailed definition of this statistics, how we'll define in detail. So statistics, you can also say what statistics is. What it is the branch of what mathematics, or you can say it is a branch of science where we study about what we study about the we collect the data first, then we analyze, we also interpret, we synthesize that data, then we come out with the conclusion. Okay, so here in this statistics we study the data. Okay, collection of huge data. Suppose we have to find what census. Okay, so when we are doing the census, then we have to analyze the big data. That time we need this statistics. Okay, so here we will be studying different way to analyze the data. So first one will be the mean. We will be studying that. Okay, so how will you define the statistics? I have already given two definitions. Statistics is what it is the science of counting, or it is the science of average, or you can in detail you can also define what statistics. It is the science which deal with what collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, synthesis of data, and what also you can say what synthesis of data. When we are talking data means what here we are talking about the numerical value. Okay, we are not talking about the theoretical thing. We most of the time we are talking about the numbers. Okay, so I hope you are clear about it. So first way to study study the data is where we are going to study with the help of mean. Okay, what is mean first? So my mean is what arithmetic mean, or simply mean is what it is the mean of a set. Mean of a set of observation is equal to their sum of is equal to what sum divided by the total number of observation. So if I will give you the number like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, if I will ask you find out the arithmetic mean, what you have to do, see it's given is equal to what sum. So add all this, you have to add, you need to put the plus sign, plus, we add, and then what divided by what total number of the observation. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 divided by 5. So that way we can easily find out the mean. So how will you find mean if question come in your exam? Mean is what? Mean is the sum of the observation divided by the total number of observation. So if I will give you any number, you have to add that. Okay, you have to, if I have given all this number, you will add that and you will count the total number. Okay, and divide by that number. So clear about that? So what is arithmetic mean? Or mean is what it is the sum of the is equal to what sum of the observation divided by total number of observation. Okay, next come to the formula. How we can, if suppose we have the number here where value different values, so x1 x2 x3 dot till xn be n value. Okay, n number of value from x1 to xn, n number of value of variate x. Okay, means variable x. Then what? Then arithmetic mean is denoted by arithmetic mean we always denote with the x bar. Okay, and it is given by what? X bar is equal to x1. You will add all the value till xn and divided by what? N number of value. Or then this sum you can also write with the help of summation. This side is known as the summation. You will write I, first one is what? 1. So I equal to 1. Last one is what? N. So you will write till n. Then here you will put what? xi. Clear? So when you will put xi1, then you will get first one. When you will put i2, you will get second one till last one. Okay, I you have to put n, so you will get the last one. Where a summation sign, this sign indicate what? Summative, or you can say summation, means sum, addition, sum of all this. Next, what mean of discrete frequency series? So when we have the sum of discrete frequency series, means when the value of variate x1, x2, xn, and given with what? Together with the frequency f2, f1, f2, f3, fn, then how we will find the mean? So that case we have to find what? f1, x1, f2, x2, f3, x3, means x1 multiply with f1, x2 multiply with x2, then x3 multiply with f3, and so on. You will add all that and you will find the sum of the frequency, means f1, f2, f3, fn. So this will be, you will be obtaining this way, or in short how will write? Summation I equal to 1, means first one is 1, see, so we will put I equal to 1 and last one is n, so n till n, fi xi divided by what? N, where f1, f2, fn can be removed with this one, till fn can be removed with what? You can remove with the n. Okay, summation you can write fi, or you can also write what? N at place of this denominator. So I have written here n. So try to remember this formula. Okay, it's very very important. This one you will try to remember. So first one, simple way to find the mean. Okay, how will find? Sum of the observation by divided by total number of observations. Sum means summation of observation, all the observation divided by total number of observation. Second one is discrete by frequency series. We have what? We have to find the xi, axi, fi here, fi xi by n, or you can multiply x1 with f1, x2 with f2, and you can find out the sum and divided by the sum of the frequency. So I hope clear with this. So try to remember these two formula. We need these two formula for the first exercise. Okay, first one for discrete value fi by xi divided by n. So this type of sums for mean you have already done in class 9. So for class 10 we will mostly focusing with this formula. We'll be using this formula to solve the question given in exercise, first exercise in this chapter 14. So let us start with the exercise. Exercise we have now 14a, exercise 14a, question number 1. Find the mean. Find the mean by direct method. Direct method. So there are three. We will be studying three method. Okay, first one direct method, second shortcut method, and then we will be studying a step deviation method. Okay, so three methods we will be studying here. First one is direct method. Let us see how we will use direct method. So given here, this kind of table has been given. If you see question number 1 from exercise 14a, so question here is given class interval, then we have what? Frequency. One, we have 2, 3, then let us take 4. First one we have 0 to 10, next we have 10 to we have 20, then 20 to 30, next we have 30 to 40, we'll be having 40 to 50. Then we have here 12, 16, 6, 7 and 9. 12, 16, 6, 7 and 9. So this is first one is what? Class interval. So what you will do, you will make one table, like this kind of table you have to make. Make the table. You will write what? Class interval. Class interval. Okay. So first one is what? Class interval. Let us see first class interval you already know 0 to 10. Next 20 to 30. Next we have 30 to 40. Next we have what? 40 to 50. So we have 4 class interval here, 10 to 20, 0 to 10, 10 to, yes, it will be for one more here. I think we have 10 to 20, I am missing here. 0 to 10, then we have 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Next what we will do? We will be writing frequency here, write down the frequency, and you already know the frequency. How we denote the frequency? We denote with what? Fi. Okay, so frequency will be denoted with F, or you can say what we already denote. We will be denoting with here. In this case, frequency we will denote with the Fi. Okay, so now write down the frequency. First one 12, 16, then 6, 7. We have 9. Next one is what? Here we have to find what we have to write here, class mark. So you will know about this class mark. So what is class mark? Remember that class mark we denote with the xi. And last one you will remember that this is fi xi, then it will be fi into xi. Okay, this will be fi into xi. So now see how we to find the class marks. Remember the formula for class mark is defined what? Class marks has been defined. Is defined as what? It defined as what? As sum of upper limit plus what? Lower limit divided by 2. Okay, sum of upper limit plus the lower limit, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, or you can say upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Sum means addition. So sum I have put here plus sign, so that is done. Sum of upper limit plus lower limit divided by what? Both will be divided by 2. So how will find the class marks here? You know that now. Class marks is denoted by what? Xi, and this formula here. Sum of upper limit is what? 10. Lower limit 0. So 10 plus 0 will be what? 10 plus 0 will be 10. 10 divided by 2 will be 5. Here 20 plus 30. So it will be 20 plus 10. So it will be 30. 30 divided by 2, it will be what? 50. Next. 20 plus 30, it will be 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. Next, 30 plus 40, it will be how much? 70. 70 divided by 2, it will be 35. Next, 40 plus 50, so 90. 90 divided by 2, it will be 45. So I hope you are clear with this. Okay, how to find the class mark. 8, this one, plus 0 divided by 2. 20 plus 10 plus 0 divided by 2, we will get 5. 20 plus 10 divided by 2, we will get 15. 30 plus 20, 50 divided by 2, we got this 25. So that way you can find out the class marks. Now find out fi xi. How will find fi xi? So multiply here fi into xi. So 12 5 ja. It will be what? 5 2 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5 1 6. So 12 5 ja 16. Now we got here 16 into 15. Yes, we have the 16 into 15. Let us multiply this one. How much we are getting? So it will be 15, then 16. So it will be 5 6 ja 30, 5 1 ja 5. Plus 3, it will be 8. Here we will be getting 16, 0, 4, and we will be getting here what? 2. So we got 245, 6 are 30, 5 plus 3, 8, 16, 0, 6, 8 plus 6, 14. So next, 1 plus carry 1, it will be 2. So we got this 240 here. Next, multiply 25 into 6 will be 1, 2. It will be 25 into 6, it will be 150. Next, 35 into 7. So 7 5 ja 35. 7 3 ja 21 plus 3, it will be 24. 9 5 ja. Here we have 45. 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus, so it will be 405. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. We got 405. Next will be what? We have to find here summation of fi, and that is also denoted by what? You can write n, we denote with n, and you have to find summation means all the sum of what? fi, then what? We have the xi. So try to find the sum and let us see how much we are getting here. We will first find out the sum and try to find how much we are getting. So it will be how much? 60 to 40, 115 to 45 plus 405. It will be total. You have to add it. First let us add this one. So we'll have how much? 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 8 plus 6, we have 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 9, it will be 30, so 0. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, it will be 5. So here I got summation fi equal to 50, and that is also denoted by n. Okay, summation fi you can write like this: n is equal to what? Summation fi equal to 50, or directly write n is equal to 50. Next, summation of fi or xi. So add it: 0 plus 0 plus 0, 5 plus 5, it will be 10. Next, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19, 19 and 1, it will be 20. So we have 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4, 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 4, it will be 11. So we got 1, 1, 0. So I hope you are clear with this. We got summation fi xi this much, and then what? Summation fi we got 50. Now you already know mean. How we write mean? So mean is denoted by what? Mean is denoted by mean we write with x bar, and you know the formula: summation of fi xi by summation of what? fi. Put the value here and you will get the answer. Summation of fi xi. How much we got? Summation of fi xi 1100. Summation of fi how much? 50. So divide with 50. So we'll get 0, 0 cancel. Then 5 2s are 10. Then we have again 10. So 22 is our answer for question number 1. Let us move to next question. So I hope you are clear. I went slow to make you understand. Again, I will repeat these sums how we are doing. Okay. So when you have class interval frequency, then you have to make one more column, two more extra column here. One for class mark and another for fi xi. Okay. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 column. Next one, we will write the class interval in first one. Second one, frequency will denote with fi and write down the frequency, given frequency I have written here. Next is what? You will find out the class mark. You know that class mark is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So upper limit means 10. Lower limit 0. So 10 plus 0, 10 divided by 2. So we got 10 divided by 2, we got 5. Same thing, 20 plus 30. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 divided by 2, we got it 15. So that way I follow the pattern and we got class marks. Next what? How to find fi xi? We will multiply 12 into 5, 60, 16 into 50, 240, 6 into 25, 150, 7 into 35, we will get 245, 9 into 45, 405. Next, add the fi, you will denote with n or summation fi equal to 50. Next, when you will add this one, you will get the summation of fi xi. Then for me, you already know summation equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Then put the value summation of fi xi how much? 1100. Yes. So we got this one divided by summation of fi 50. Then after solving, we got 22. So we'll be moving to question number 2. I hope you are clear with this. So I will write down the formula: class marks equal to xi equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, and mean xi, that is mean is what? X bar, okay, is equal to summation fi by xi divided by summation fi, or you can write n. That's also same thing. Now question number, we'll be moving to question number 2. So question number 2, directly I will make the table here. I will try to make the table. So we have the enough space to write the table nicely. Okay, 1, 2. I said how many column? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first one what you will write, whatever you given in question, same thing, okay? Class interval. I have written here class interval. Next will be what? Next we have the frequency. Next what you have, I already told you, you need to find what? Class marks. Class marks we denote with xi and frequency we denote with fi. Then last one will be what? Summation of a, it will be product of what? Fi xi. Now class interval is what? First one here is given 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then it will be 30 to 40 has been given. Next what? 40 to 50, 50 to 60, then we have 60 to 70. For first one frequency 11, 15, 20, 30, then we have 14, 10. Okay, so now let us find out the class marks xi and then fi xi. So how will find the class marks xi? So you know already upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit here is 20 plus lower limit. So 20 plus 10, 30. 30 divided by 2, it will be 15. Next 30. Upper limit is 30 plus lower limit 20. So 8. 30 plus 20. It will be 30 plus 20, 50. 50 divided by 2, it will be 25. Next 40 plus 30. So 70. 70 divided by 2, it will be 35. In the same way, you see the difference also. If you want to be fast in solving, so you have to see from 15 to 25, 10. So 25 to 35, 10. So next will be what? 35 to will be 45. Next 45 to it will be what? It will be 55. Next 55 it will be what? You'll have 65. You can check if you are confused. 8, 70 plus 60, it will be what? 1, 4, it will be 0, 140. So it will be 140. 1, it will be 130. 130 if we will divide with 2, so 130 divide with 2. It will be what? 2, 6, that 12, so 5, right? 65. See, instead of 20 plus 60, it will be 130 divided by 2, you will get 65. So that way you can check also, okay? Now find fi xi. So how will find? We'll multiply this 11 into 15, then we have 15 into 25, 20 into 35, 30 into 45, all that. So let us multiply 11 into 15, how much we will get? 15, 15, so we will get 5, 6, 1. Okay, so we got 165. Okay, 11 into 11, 15 into 11 we will get this thing, okay? 15 then 15 we will be getting 165. Next 15 into 25, multiply 15 then 25. So it will be what? 5 5 are 25, 5 1 are 5 plus 2 7, then 2 5 are 10, then 2 1 are 2 1 3, 5 7 3. So we got 375, right on 375. Next 20 into 35, so 2 5 are 10, then 2 3s are 6, 1 1, 2 5 are 10, 2 3s are 6, 1 7, and 0 you will put here. Now multiply 45 into 3, so 3 5s are 50, 3 4s are 12, okay? 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 1 13, so 0 you put 0. Now you will multiply this one. When you will multiply, you will get 650. Let us multiply 14 into 55. So 55, we have the 40. 5 4s are 20. 5 or 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, it will be 22. Here we will be getting 55. 8 is 0, 7. We got 770. Okay, 4 5 are 20. 4 5 are 20 plus 2, 22. We are 55, 0, 7, 7. So we got this. Now what I told you to find out, first one, to find the summation of fi, that is also denoted with f. So when you will find summation of fi, how much you will get? Edit 5 plus 1, 6, 6, 6, 6 plus 4. We have the 10 here. Next 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 9, 9, 9 plus 1, it will be 10. So we got how much? We got a summation of fi equal to 100. Next, we have to find the summation of fi xi. Find summation of fi xi. Add it, and you will get that one also. 8, 5 plus 5, 10. 10, so 0, g plus 0, 0, so it will be remaining same, so 0. Next 8, 6 plus 7, 30, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 7, 20, 18 plus 7 will be 25, 25 plus 6, 31 plus 1, it will be 32. We got 2 there. Now remaining what? 3, we have 3, 32. Next, 83 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7, 11, 11, 11, 11 plus 3, it will be 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 6, it will be 27, 27 plus 3, it will be how much? We will have the 30. So again, we have the 3 here. So 1, 3 plus 1, no, here. So what we will get? 1 will be 1 here. 1 plus 3, we are getting 4. So 4, 0, 2. Yes, so 4, 0, we are getting 2 zeros. 1, 6, 5, 3, 7, 5, 700, 1, 3, 5, 0, 7, 7, 0, 1, 6. Here if you see a slight mistake, we need to correct it. 65, 10 into 65, so it will be how much? We will be having 10 into 65, we will have 650. Okay, so please correct it. We have make mistake in writing, so it will be 10 into 65, 650. Now, so this I took 1 that time. Okay, so it's 6. So when you add these things, you'll be getting how much? Okay, try to add, so you'll be getting 4010. So when you will add this, you will be getting 4010. Now find the summation. So summation will be what? Or mean. First write mean is equal to what? Summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. Put the value, it's 4010 divided by what? Summation of fi. So we got 100. So 100 cancel. When you will have 401 divided by 10. When you divide with 10 and see how much you are getting. 10, 401. So 10 40 ja, we got 400. Yes, we have the 1 here. Then point, we will get 0, right? So 10 1 ja 10. So we are getting what? It will be 10. So we are getting 40.1 for answer. For question number 2 is what? 40.1. So let us try one more question from here, and that is also very, very important. All these questions are important. We will be moving to now question number 5. Question number 5. I will directly write down the table here. One, 2, 3, 4. Right? We have to make 4. Class interval. Class interval. Next, what we have? We have frequency. We denote with fi. Then we have what? Class marks. We have class marks. Then we have fi xi. Okay, we will be having fi xi. Next, see here what we will be doing. Class interval we have here. Class interval is 0 to 20. Next is what? 20 to 40. Next what we have? 40 to 60. Next we have 60 to 80. Then we have 80 to 100. So this is our class interval. Next is what? Frequency. So frequency for first one has been given. Question number 5 we are solving. So frequency for first one we have 0 to question number 5, class interval. Okay, so now we are writing question number 6. Since we have written question number 6, so I will be continuing with question number 6. 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Then, so we are done with the question number 6, 80 to 100. Next, first one is what? Here is given 7. Next, we have P. Then we have 10. Here we have 9. And we have what? 30. Okay, 7, P, 10, 9 and 30. So let us find out the, what is the question here? Find the value of P if the mean of the distribution is given 54. Okay, so mean of the frequency distribution, mean has been given. Mean is given, mean how much? 50. For question number 6, mean equal to 50. 4 already given. So now remember this mean equal to 54. Now use the formula. Before that, find out the class mark. So 20 plus 0 will be 20 divided by 2, 10. 20 plus 40. So 40 plus 20, it will be 60. 60 divided by 2, we have the 30. Next 60 plus 40, 100 divided by 2, it will be 50. Next 80 plus 60, 1, it will be 140 divided by 2, we have 70. Next 100 plus 80. So 100 plus 80, 180, we have what? 90. We divided by 2, 180 divided by 2, we got 90. Now 7 into 10, 70, very good. 10 into P, sorry, 30 into P, it will be 30P. Next 10 into 50, it will be 500. Now 9 7s are 7 9s are 9 7s are 63. 0 will write the 0. Now 39s are. So how much we will get? 39s are, we will be 170. Okay, 9 3s are 27. 9 1s are 9 plus 2, we will have what? 9 1s are 9 plus 2, we will get 11, and 0 will put here 0. So we got this much. Now what is your next step? Yeah, I already told you. What you will do, you will find the summation A5. Add this one and see how much you are getting. So when you will add this, you will leave P, you will leave separate. So it will be what? 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 plus 7. So 12 plus 7. So it will be 12 plus 7 will be having how much? 19, right? We have 9. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 3. So 39 plus what is there? Plus P. So we got this 39 plus P for question number 6. Okay, 39 plus P. Next one is what? We have, this is P. Okay. Next what is there? Here we find the summation of Fi. You know that summation is sum Fi xi. Add all this value. When you will add, how much you will get? So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. Next 7 plus 0 plus 0. 7 plus, but we cannot add this one, so we will come to 7 plus 3, it will be 10. 10 plus 7, we have the 17. Add next one. Okay, so we have here 5. 5 plus, see, 7 plus 3, yes, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 7, 17, we have 1. So we will add that 6. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1, 12, 1, 13. Next 1, 1, we got 2. So 2, 3, 7, 0. Next plus what is left here? This one we have not added. So we will add now. Plus 30 plus 30. I hope you are clear. All this number you will add except as P1. P1 you write plus 30P. Next mean has been already given. You have to find the value of P. So let us use the formula. You will write what's mean or x bar is equal to what? Summation of A phi xi by summation of A phi. Put the value x bar is how much? X bar or mean is equal to 54. Yes, so 54 equal to summation of A phi xi how much? We have 2, 3. We will write same thing 2, 3, 7, 0 plus 30P. Summation of A phi how much? 39. We will write 39 plus P. Now multiply and see how much we are getting. 54 into, so cross multiplication, right? So it will be 54 into 39 plus 54 into what? P. So we write 54P equal to this one. You will remain same because nothing here is 1 cross. So you will get same thing 2, 3, 7, 0 plus 30P. Multiply these two. We will see how much you are getting here. So 39 we have 54. 4 9 are 36. 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 3 we have the 15. Next 5 9 are 45. So it will be 5. 5 3 are 15. 15 plus 4 we got the 19. 6 5 5 10. 9 plus 1 10. 1 11. So 1 will be 1 to here 2. 6 5, 5, 10, 9, 1, 10, 1, 11, 1 and 1 will be 2. So we got this much, okay? 2106 plus 54 P equal to 2370 plus 30P. Now bring P one side. So 54P I will keep here. 54P, 30P will come this side plus here. So it will become what? Minus 30P. Next 2370 will remain same. Take this one other side. So it will become minus 2106. Next 54 minus 30 it will be what? 4 minus 0. So 4. 5 minus 3 we got 2. So 24, right? 24P is equal to C here also minus. This one we have taken other side, so it will become minus. So 10 minus 6 we got here 4. Next here what? 6. 6 minus 0 will be 6. Here we have what? 3 minus 1 will be 2. Then 2 minus 2 0. So 2, 6, 4. Next will be what? P will be what? 264 divided by 24. Let us try to cancel with 2. When we cancel with 2, what we get? 12, and here will be 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, and 2 2 is 4. Then it will be what? When we will be cancelling again with 2, 6, here will be getting 2 6 is 12, 2 6 is 12. Then 6 1 is 6, 1 1. So we got P is equal to what? 11. That is our answer. Okay. For question number 6, we got P is equal to 11. Okay. So now you write down your homework. You will try similarly. So your homework is what? Question number 1 and 2 we have done. So question number 3, question number 4, question number you will be trying 5. Similarly, it's exactly similar to question. So these 3 will be your homework. I will be meeting you in next class. Okay, I will be meeting in next class. So try to practice whatever we have covered in these videos.